We'll guide you through how to create ChatGPT custom instructions. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to chat.openai.com. Once you're on the ChatGPT homepage, make sure you're logged into your OpenAI account. Look for the settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear symbol at the bottom left corner of the sidebar. Click on it to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, you'll see an option labeled custom instructions or something similar depending on the latest interface updates. Click on that option to enter the custom instructions setup here. You can specify how you'd like ChatGPT to behave in your interactions. You'll typically see two main sections. The first section allows you to enter details about what you'd like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses. This could be your interests, preferences, or any specific context you want the AI to consider. The second section is where you can define how you'd like ChatGPT to respond, which could include the tone or style of communication you prefer. Take your time to fill in these sections thoughtfully, as it will tailor the AI's interactions to better suit your needs. After entering your custom instructions, be sure to save your changes. There should be a save or confirm button at the bottom of the page. Once saved, these instructions will apply to your future interactions with ChatGPT, enhancing the experience based on your preferences. It's as simple as that. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.